When I was in second grade and I didn't come to read right, I read sloppy and everything I said, it kept on messing up. Like I didn't say it, like the word I was going to say.
And you don't do that anymore?
Mm-mm.
Rocks, rocks, rocks. I love rocks. Some are heavy, some are light. Some are black, some are white. Some are round, some are squares. Some have freckles, some have hair.
Animals are living things. Living things grow and change. Some animals begin their lives growing inside the bodies of their mothers. The animals are then born. These lambs were just born.
Will Smith was born on September 25, 1968 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.